If you want all your prayers to be accepted, then pray Tahajjud and speak to Allah about everything in your heart, because at that time, Allah is very close to us.
One day you will realize that every pain, every setback, and every victory was Allah's way of guiding you closer to Him. The heart you grieve over today will one day become the heart that brings you true peace and contentment. He hears every call you make, every silent plea, every whispered prayer. Your tears are precious to Him. Every tear you shed, every sigh, every broken moment matters to Allah. This delay is only a test of your patience, a test of your trust. Very soon He will answer your prayers with a B, Inshallah. So don't panic, don't give up, keep praying, but keep trusting. Your time of relief is near, and Allah never forgets those who trust Him. Stop being disappointed, because when some doors are closed due to the schemes of people on earth, even greater doors open from Allah. There is nothing hidden from Allah. Just be patient. Indeed, Allah is with those who are patient.
If you truly want something from Allah, then pray Tahajjud. This is the blessed hour, when prayers rise from the heart. This is the moment when du'as are accepted. Tahajjud changes destinies.